Shelly Pelly, Annie Parker Confidential. Welcome to my Whole Foods plant-based kitchen in Solana Beach, California. We're making today a vanilla chai chia overnight oats. Super easy and simple. All right, so a lot of you know that this year Annie Parker Confidential has gone totally whole foods plant-based eating. So that means we're going to be focusing on healthy, delicious recipes made with whole fruits, whole vegetables, grains, and legumes, which of course are nuts, seeds, and beans. A lot of you follow me on my blog, AnnieParkerConfidential.com, and you may have seen my most recent post on 15 Radiance boosting plant-based foods. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take those 15 Radiance boosting foods and we're going to start to make beauty bowls. These are easy, simple, fast recipes that use one of the 15 Radiance boosting foods or more. Today we're using 2. These are amazing for your skin and they're plant-based. What more can you ask for? Okay guys, this is how simple it is. We're gonna start with a cup and a half of coconut milk. Now I'm using light coconut milk because I like to keep the calories to a dull roar. You can use full fat coconut milk. You can use full fat coconut milk if you want to. It'll give a much more luxurious flavor, but it will have a lot more calories in it. So we're going to use that. And next we're going to add a little bit of unsweetened almond milk just to loosen it up a little bit. Now the recipe for this will be directly underneath the video, which I always do for the exact specifications, but I'm just going to show you really quickly. Then to this we're going to add our spices. So I'm adding cinnamon, ground cloves, cardamom, and some ginger to that. All right, this is just giving us our flavor. It's nice and spicy. I just think it's really nice and spicy. And to this we're going to add a couple teaspoons of vanilla because you got to have vanilla with your vanilla chai. And this is easy. Now ladies, oats are full of antioxidants, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Antioxidants are super good for your skin because what they do is they help the skin to repair itself and helps to correct visible damage, which, I mean, who doesn't have a little sun damage? Fortunately for me, I'm from Seattle, which means that we rust. We didn't tan too much, although we did have tanning beds, but my family didn't have the money to do that when I was little, so I guess I kind of lucked out. All right, so we're just gonna give this a good whisk. I've got all my spices and my vanilla. This is how easy it is. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of sweetener. Now I use this maple walnut no sugar syrup. You can, I mean, I know some whole food plant-based people will say no, because it's still a little artificial. You should use the real stuff. Use what you like. I just try to limit my sugar to a dull roar. So I mix in the sweetener, and now all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add my chia seeds and my oats. Now ladies, chia seeds also are another radiance boosting skin food, okay? They are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which help provide the building blocks for healthy skin and cell function, and collagen production. Collagen is the thing in your skin that makes it nice and bouncy, you know, and kind of plump. It's the only place you like to be plump, right? All right, so we're gonna add our chia seeds to this. And you wanna make sure and give it a good whisk because chia seeds start to coagulate really quickly. So you wanna make sure and give it a good whisk, all right? Now you can have this for, I would have it for breakfast, but if you don't like spicy things for breakfast, certainly just as good for like a little dessert or a little like something at nighttime if you like it. And I'm just gonna add my oats in. Give it another good whisk. And then I'm just gonna put this in the fridge and I let it sit overnight, or if you make it in the morning, it'll certainly be ready by evening time when you're ready for an evening treat if you like. And ladies, that is it. That's the dish. All right, the link for this is underneath the video. 100% whole food, plant-based deliciousness with 2 radiance boosting foods in this for your skin.